How to fix Snapchat verification failed. So if you're getting verification failed error, maybe especially this is common during the login screen. So maybe you're just trying to log into your account, or you're trying to switch to a fairly new account, but you're getting such kind of errors. Then there could be a couple of fixes in this case. So first of all, let me just log out of my current account. The first thing to do is to simply check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa, and then see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, then what you can also do is you can go ahead and then simply try to check your login information. So verify that your username and email is correct, or you can also tap on use phone number, or make sure that your password is also correct. In case you've forgotten your password, you can tap on this forgot your password option and then try to reset your Snapchat password as well to see if that helps you. What you also want to do is you can try to uninstall the Snapchat app completely. So long press on the Snapchat app and uninstall it, and tap on uninstall and reinstall it from your Play Store or your App Store as well. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.